Kwa ihinda rĩa mathaa 24 andũ 1438 ni mathimitwo kuri andũ 15 monekanite na murimu uyu wa COVID-19 kaunti ya Mombasa na kaunti ya Nairobi igithie na mbere na gutongoria hari namba nene ya arwaru.
Then you can see we have got 411 confirmed cases. We have got 150 people who have recovered. In other words, 36.5 of the people who have gotten the disease, just about over 1/3 of the people who have gotten the disease have recovered.
Undu wa kieha na wa kuguoyohia andu ana nimakuite kuumana na murimu uyu na beno ario namba iria nene muno kuma riria murimu uyu wahurire hoti guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na Minister wa Ugima wa Mwiri Mutahi Kagwe augete Athuri nimatoretio ni murimu uyu kuona gicunje kia 56 kia andu aria mari na murimu uyu ni arume, akiongerera kuuga ati oho no matoretio guoka ni ikuo kuona gicunje kia 81 kia ikuo cia murimu uyu ni cia arume, guku akiongerera kuuga ati atumia ni marahona na ihenya na ingi kuumana na murimu uyu.
46% of the people who are positive are female. But when it comes to the death figures, only 19% of the people who have passed on out of the 21. Is it 21? Out of the 21 persons, because today we have 4. We have increased the death by 4 people. And out of those, 19% are female and 81% are male. It is we believe that the reason why there is that disparity is because of preconditions that exist more in male than female, you know, high blood pressure, heart disease.
Mutahi nikiteretana kuri mbeu njithi au akuru wa miaka 15 nginyagia 30 kwihuga na kurumirira mitaratara ya gwithaitira kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu kuona niyo maratambia murimu uyu indi o matiratorio.
And you can see that between 15 and 30 there is no death. What it tells you is that this group is the one that can spread the disease. And this is why we are telling Nairobi people, stay in Nairobi. Please don't take this disease back to the older people up country. This is a perfect illustration of that circumstance and the reasoning behind. We have always told you that we are taking decisions based on empirical evidence and data.
Andu makiria ma milioni 3 nio mari na murimu uyu thi yothe. Andu makiria ma milioni 1 makahona murimu uyu, guku andu makiria ma 200,000 magakua kumana na murimu uyu. Bururi wa Amerika ugitongoria na andu makiria ma milioni 1. Girifotira Kameme TV retora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Furo.